Since 1992, we at Dryfix Roofer have served customers in Staffordshire and other locations. We cover all aspects of the roofing trade, serve domestic and commercial clients, and specialise in these following roofing services. We're very proud members of Checkatrade and are really established there with over 200 reviews and an exceptional rating. Here are just a few examples to see why we get recommended so highly. As you can see, our customer service, reliability and workmanship are unmatched. Furthermore, you can check out our gallery to see the finished product of our builds. Still unconvinced? Check out our code of conduct and Checkatrade too. There you'll find a no payment until 100% satisfaction guarantee and our warranty. So, if you're interested in any of our services, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 07964 716 769 or shoot us an email on dryfix1@aol.co.uk.